Section 6.1, example 11, calculating continuous growth. A person invested $1,000 in an account earning a nominal 10% per year compounded continuously. How much was in the account at the end of 1 year? Ooh, at the end of 1 year. Let's see. So normally we have the compound interest formula. P. So A of t is equal to P times 1 plus R raised or R over N raised to the power of N times T. Here we're compounding N times a month, or I'm sorry, N times a year. So monthly it would be 12, annually would be 1, daily we would have 365.25 for N. But what we have here is compounded continuously. So what we say is that this ends up going to infinity as well as this part. And with compounding continuously, that equation turns into this. P still have P, right? Or P times E raised to the RT. So we no longer have N. We don't need to know what N is. Everything is still, or the rest of this is still the same. A of T is still your principal. P is still your initial investment. E we'll talk about here in a second. R is your interest rate. T is still your time. E, Euler's number, is just a value that you have, similar to pi. We could check to see what that value is exactly. Well, not even exactly, but approximately what that value is. Hitting second ln to get E raised to the power 1 just to see what that value is. This is approximately 2.71828.18285. Okay, anyway, so it's roughly this number. Again, it's similar to pi. It's like a number that has an infinite amount of digits, but we're still going to follow these steps whenever we're compounding continuously. So let's see, a person invested $1,000. So your initial investment was 1,000 in an account earning a nominal 10%, 0.1 per year compounded continuously. And how much will be in the account after 1 year? Let's see how much we end up with after 1 year. A of T is equal to 1,000 times E raised to the R, 0.1 times T. What? And now let's see what that value ends up being today. Well, not today, but 1 year later. E raised to the 0.1 times 1. So in just 1 year, it raised $105.17. It's supposed to be a decimal. So after 1 year, this is what we end up with. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.